cyber criminals actually target law enforcement officers just to get sensitive data from them, and a data breach could result in unauthorized access to this information, leading to potential misuse or compromise of ongoing investigation. If you're investigating somebody, the person hires a cyber criminal to access your data. Once they get hold of that thing, they tamper with your investigation process. And at the end of the day, you realize that the integrity of the data that you hold is not even, you're not even sure of it anymore. So when they come, this is one of the threats that you're likely to face. Another threat is digital evidence integrity. I spoke a little about this when I was talking about data breach. So when we talk about digital evidence, when you collect digital evidence for investigation, this can be manipulated. And that's why I asked, are you sure you're the only person using your device? Because when they get hold of this information, they try to manipulate, try to tamper with it, and then render it useless in a way that you can't use it anymore. So this is the second threat they are likely to face when cyber criminals come after you. That's digital evidence integrity. So they try to attack your database and then try to render the evidence, whatever it is you have at that point, useless, so you're unable to use it, or even tamper with it. And then when you look at it, probably something, the data you entered before, you come back, you look at it, this is what I entered, or something is missing. Maybe somebody has deleted a record or something. Then, mobile device vulnerability. How do they attack you? Through your mobile devices. Like I mentioned, you bought that device, you unboxed it, you took it as in you unboxed it, unwrapped it, you set it up yourself. Then how come is it that probably somebody is using it and you likely do not even know? It's possible.